Here's how to remove suggested on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can remove suggested or suggested posts on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. This method works for both iOS and Android devices. So yeah, let's just jump into it. First up, just basically open Instagram. And once you open Instagram here, as you can see, it already showing me all these suggested posts here. As you can see, it says suggested for you. So if you get to ever see these suggested posts, what you can do is basically press on these three dots on the top of the video. And once you press on it, you'll see some options right over here. But you just gotta go ahead and press on manage content preferences. Once you do this here, as you can see, you'll see many options, but just go ahead and press on snooze suggested posts and feed. Just basically press on this option. And yeah, it says that this only works for 30 days. After 30 days, you will be seeing suggested posts again. So if you want to do this again and again, just basically do these time to time, and you won't be able to see any suggested. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can remove suggested on Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.